Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G51 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code, so it is the quickest way to check those numbers, and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the secret code. We have to tap on the dialer because this is the place where we will enter it. So let's tap on the keypad and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another way to check those numbers using the settings. It will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work in your case. So let's tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down until you'll see both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if we want to check the serial number, we have to find it, and it should be in the model. Let's tap on the model, and as you can see on the second position, we've got the serial number of this device. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your Motorola Moto G51. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.